Hi everyone, my name is Christina. I currently have an in-home daycare. I've had that for about the past 8 years or so. I have 4 children of my own, and once my youngest was born, I decided to just stay home with them. It would be a little bit more easier on me and my husband, so that's what I've been doing the last 8 years. So I currently do not, work with clients in a mental health setting, and I've never, formally diagnosed anyone, child or person. But on a few occasions, I have helped parents kind of navigate the process for their child that they may have felt um, had symptoms of, a mental health issue, and I've just kind of helped them navigate, gave them symptom signs, and kind of where to go to get that official diagnosis. So that's about as far as I've gone. Definitely looking forward to this class and learning more of the details of how a diagnosis works and the process. My, I guess, opinion on mental, health obviously is good and bad. There's definitely a horrible stigma attached to mental health. It's definitely getting better, but we still do have a lot of people who give you that negative perspective. If you tell somebody, that you have a mental health issue, they may look down on you. So some people may not go and get, the help that they need because they're worried about what people are going to think of them. But there is also the positive where if somebody is having signs and symptoms and they can go, and talk to a professional and get that diagnosis, it's usually a positive for them because they have answers and they're able to get treatment, resources and services that they deserve to get. So yes, that's a little bit about me. I look forward to meeting everybody and learning more about them. Thank you.